Hi guys and welcome to our channel, The Travelicious Couple. So today I have two very special things in store for you. The first is this t-shirt that Isheeta gave to me. And the second is our Mavic Mini. So let's get started with the unboxing of this Mavic Mini. I am so excited to unbox this. This was a gift from Isheeta to me. It has been sitting in my closet for 2 weeks now and I have been really anxious to open it. So as you can see, DJI has done some very good work in the boxing itself. Like the Mavic Mini box looks really fancy, looks really nice from all sides. There is a big ass picture of the drone on this side. There is the drone and the controller on this side, and it says the everyday Flycam there, and it says that it's ultra light, 249 grams. That is something, by the way, that is also printed on the drone itself, which is pretty awesome. So here we go. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! That looks so nice. It looks so clean. That's the drone right there. That's the controller right there. I don't know where the rest of the things are. I'm assuming they're somewhere down below. But let's turn this around. We have the drone right here. We have the controller right here. And the drone is smaller than the controller, which is so funny. That is one of the main reasons why I chose to purchase this particular drone instead of anything else on the market. Let's take the drone out. Oof. I'm scared to even hold it right now. I'll keep the box aside. Let's look at the drone. The drone is pretty small. That's the first thing that I notice about it. See, that's my hand and that's the drone. So you can see how small that drone is. I don't know how big it'll become after I open it up, but that's how small it is. See the sides, and that right there is the camera. So it has a protector on it right now, but I can take that out. There we go. The protector came out, and that's what the camera looks like. And it is a 3-axis gimbal, so it does move around pretty freely. Okay, let's start by opening the drone's wings. Those are 2. Let's turn it around. Oops. 3 and 4, and there you go. There we have it. I think we're supposed to align them like this. Align it like this right here. Going like this, and now it looks much more like a drone. So the next things to notice are the 2 ports here. So this is the USB charging port, and this is the micro SD card holder. I need to get a micro SD card for myself, but once I do, I'll plug it in, and I am hoping to get some awesome footage out of it. On the back, we can see that there is the power button right here. So you click it once and you click it once again, and it spins into action. It's trying to do something, and if you can see, the lights are blinking right here. I don't know what I'm doing right now with this, so I'm just gonna stop this. Okay, that did not work. There you go. Okay, so the drone is out. Let's start off with our controller. So here is the controller, and it looks really nice, doesn't it? These are the spots for the controller sticks to go in. That's the power button. That is the return to home button, if I'm not wrong. And these are the antenna. They come out. The back, this must be a recording button to start your video recording. This is the button to actually take pictures while your drone is flying. This right here, I have no idea, but I would imagine it changes the angle of the drone's camera so that it can go up and down, because that's how the camera goes. You can look forward or you can point down, so I'm assuming that's what this button right here does. Okay, open it up, because our phone has to go in there. That's really small. Wait, let me see if I can open it up further. Okay, yeah, so it opens to the side, and that's pretty big. That's huge. So as you can see, There are two controller sticks right here. They're built in right here. That is so cool. Let me show it to you again. There are these two controller sticks that are right here, so I can just pick them out and put them in. Out of everything I've seen so far, that has to be the coolest thing. So there you go. You have the sticks. Let's turn it on. So that's a single press followed by a long press to turn it on. And we have it on. I don't think I can do anything because I haven't connected my drone to it yet. So let me turn it off. There you go. So my phone goes in here, and I'll show it to you in the next part of the video. And then other thing to note is that there is this particular USB port, and I think this USB port is used to charge as well as to connect the controller to your phone, because this is not a Bluetooth based connector. It will connect to your phone with the cable, and I'm assuming this is the box that has all the cables, and we'll go through it in a second. So yeah, the controller is pretty cool. Let's close it up. Close it up. So we have our drone, we have our controller. The next is the set of wires that have to come along with it. So that should be this right here. Perfect. And I see that there are some manuals below that. We'll go through them in just a second. Sounds like there are a bunch of wires in here. Let me see. Yeah, I can see a couple of controller sticks, different types of wires. So here's the drone, the controller, the propellers, a USB cable, micro USB cable, sorry, the lightning connector, the micro USB connector, the USB-C connector, a pair of spare control sticks, a screwdriver, and a spare screw. So not bad. I did not take the Fly More combo because I just wasn't willing to spend that much on it right now, but I think this is pretty good. Good. Let's see, we have a quick start guide right here, and I think it basically teaches you how to connect your drone to your controller and stuff like that, which I will come back to you later. And then we have something which tells us how to fly our drone or how not to fly it. We don't care. More random stuff, throw it away. So apparently I have some things that tell me how to fly in Australia and how to fly in New Zealand, and I am in neither of those countries. So okay guys, so I think with that I have emptied out my entire box. The next thing I want to show you guys is what the app looks like and how to connect your app to your controller and how to fly your drone out, and we'll do that shortly. See you soon. Okay guys, so let's get started with connecting our phone to our controller and on from that. But before doing all of that, I will first turn on my drone right here. There we go. That's turned on. And if you guys can't see, it has this light that keeps going on and off here. I'll put it back here. You're supposed to align these. So there we go. There we go. And there we go. Perfect. Take the controller, take your phone, open it up, open it up. I need to open it up a little bit more because my phone is a little bit bigger and it needs to go in this way, and that's how my phone fits inside. Don't mind this, I'm just recording my audio through my phone. And let me open the DJI Fly app now. Oops, wrong orientation. There we go. Perfect. And we're supposed to say connect aircraft, but and you just go and you connect your Mavic Mini. So mine, I already connected it, so all I need to do is just power on my controller. And crap, I did not put the connector cord. So the connector cord goes from here into your phone. So let me do that right now. So once the controller is turned on, the phone is connected to the controller, we can open up the app, and on the app I have already connected my Mavic Mini, so it shows Mavic Mini right here, and I can say go fly. Voila, I can see the view from the camera of my Mavic Mini. This is perfect. Okay, so let me try something pretty basic now. Okay, so I'm going to try something pretty simple now. My Mavic Mini is right there. I'm gonna touch this button which says take off. Say take off. And there we go. And that's it. That was a simple run of our Mavic Mini right there. Hey guys, what's up? So I took the drone out today to try and make a few videos. The first attempt was a disaster. I tried doing it from my balcony and I ended up losing control because I'm just not used to it. And I'll put that video right now and you guys can take a quick look at it. But my second attempt was pretty good. I went out to a park in North Vancouver and took a video over the water, and this is a short clip that I created on the DJI Fly app. Take a look. And finally, I just wanted to say that this video has been a little long, so I thought I would divide the capabilities of the DJI Fly app and the Mavic Mini into a separate video. So this video is just for the unboxing, and please wait for the next video in which I will talk about all the awesome capabilities in the app as well as DJI Mavic Mini's own capabilities. Until then, like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Bye bye.